Hi there, this is Fixed It. It's really irritating when your favourite jacket zip pull tab gets broken and the piece comes off, particularly if you've got one of these nice double zips that allows you to open your jacket in two directions. Unfortunately, when this happens quite often, you've got very little that you can do other than throw the jacket away. But here's a simple tip. Take a small skewer, find the gap underneath where the zip is, and this is the latch that lifts the zip as you pull it backwards and forwards and stops it locking. If you take your piece off a keychain and feed a coin into it to make it wide open, you can feed that into that gap in your zip and you can push it through like that. And then if you work it round, and there you have it. You have your new ring on your jacket and the jacket's now working perfectly again. Just move that around, there you go, so it lies down nicely. There we go. So there we have it, a simple fix and permanent fix for that broken zip. Hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share it with others. Thanks for watching. Bye.